and equipment that will be provided to the public TVET Institute in Cambodia. So these are the plans that we currently known for the Cambodia infrastructure development from 2023 to 2028. Of course, we are also working on a few other projects with ADB, Koika, and World Bank, but since those are projects in the pipeline, so I cannot include them in here because they are subject to change very quickly. So thank you. We will start the presentation. Okay, so as you already know, Cambodia currently for the soft part of the infrastructure from our side, during the COVID hit, there is no school open for the training. So we need to go online, and we need to go online very quick. So that is why we provide the building digital government, and the government encourage the TVET Institute to develop the policy for the ICT, and we also need to align the TVET need to the government, and the people need for the access to the training course during the school close. And the objective is that we ask the government sector need to increase the investment budget. This is the biggest priority that we consider, because building both a online learning platform and infrastructure require a lot of investment from the government. In fact, by estimation, in the next 5 years, we will need to increase as much as 5 times as before. Because in this new mandate, Cambodia just elect a new Prime Minister in August, and he has agreed to launch a new program that prioritizes TVET. Normally, we train around 60,000 TVET graduates each year. But in the next 5 years, the government has set the goal. TVET need to produce around 300,000. So we have to increase our training graduate by 5 times or 6 times. And that is why our objective is that the budget need to be increased, more infrastructure is needed, more platform online is required, and there are a lot of equipment that we need to procure to ensure that the goal can probably meet or achieve. So this is also part of the thing that we need to do. So like increase budget, increase provision skill, increase the governance. Yeah, that also will require a lot of partnership from private sector. Sorry, I'm not too good at following the script. And also of course, we do need to follow the trend for digitalization, including our TVET. So this is the framework that the government has given us. They have developed the world trend, and we also developed the economic and digital framework 2021 to 2035, and of course, Cambodia digital policy from 22 to 2025. These are the policies that the government has set out, but this policy mainly focus on develop the government itself, especially in terms of strengthening the government officer, in terms of utilization of ICT in the workplace. And this is the timeline that the government has set out for us to develop our own ICT in the governance, and for, of course, society as well. By 2022 to 2025 is that we try to get things start. Okay, we start develop this different platform, develop the capacity of the officer. We try to make sure that government service is going online. In fact, currently, we try to get, especially in the Ministry of Labor, they don't have to come for the manufacturer or company, they don't have to come to register their service, or they can go online and they can report and paying all the tax for the worker and social service online. That is the service that we provide currently. And it's been welcomed by the public because they save them a lot of time and human resource as well. And by 2026 to 2030, we are reforming the government. Is that the government will be fully integrated, because even we go digital, there are only, I think, only 8 ministries that are going pilot this program. But by 2030, the government, all ministries will have to provide its service digitally. And by 2035, we hope that have the data, enough resource to go smart government. Yes. And for the benefit of digital, I'm not going to a lot for it. We all know about it. We increase transparency, improve digital, and improve the strength, and make that the people are more happy. And of course, the internet speed will be enjoyed by everybody. That's the hope that the government try to do. And here is the main reason why I choose this topic, because it will help us improve the trust and improve the public service that we provide to the people in Cambodia. And this is the strategic objective, is develop the one of the topic that I'm going to say is the infrastructure development. The second is improve public service. The third is capacity and innovation development. And the last one is promote public and private partnership. Okay, this is a system that we have developed so far. It's called TVET MIS. This TVET MIS allow mainly used by the government at the central level, so that we can generate report directly and tell what are the skills that being produced at where each location, at each province. So it's a just report for us, mainly for reporting purpose, to manage the govern all the public training institutes, what they are doing, what course they are offering. This is one of the website that we use, TVET system. Of course, it's go online and the public can check it out, but currently they only have my version. The English version is not very good yet, and we need time to develop it more for TVET. And another one is, we call it TVET e-learning platform. It has been developed with support from Swiss Contact. This platform allowed our TVET Institute back using in 2020, when the COVID hit. Most of our institutes don't have their own website, and they cannot allow the student to go training online. So we developed this one so that all 36 TVET institutes can have their own online school. They can put their own training course. The teacher can develop their online content, the student, and they have their own community for the student to access those content online. And so during that time, most of the course in TVET Institute was done through this online, and they are available for both iOS and Android. So these are one of the things that we done, and we are very proud of this app, because it's helped us a lot during the school closed for the last 2 years. And this is Another one that we are developing, this is the new app. This is for the scholarship program. Uh, as I mentioned earlier, in the new mandate, the goal is to to train 1.5 million trainees. Yeah, that is more than 50 times our current capacity. And as you know, TVET is not very attractive. That's the fact for everybody, especially for the poor. And so one of the mechanism we do is that we will provide scholarship. The training, of course, is free, but for the student from the poor family, they can apply for a stipend that allow them to get some money on during their training. And the way to go to get the stipend is through this website. This app is called scholarship.tvet.government.kh. It tracks the student learning, it tracks their presence during class and their achievement, and if what they are compliant to the rule and the training course and finish it, their training actually attend the training actually, they will get $70 a month during the training. And the training would last around 4 months because we want to make sure that the training would not last too long and the student would be able to get to acquire skill that at least basic skill that allow them to go to work at the entry level. And this website will track that, serve that purpose. And another one is that to my last is that this is the infrastructure development plan for 2018 to 2022, and this construction will be spread throughout the nation because in the last 5 years we focused most of physical development in the capital, but in the next 5 years we need to spread them out to other province and especially near the border because that's where most of the manufacturing will be happening, and we want to make sure that the student learning in that area will be able to have access, enjoy the new infrastructure, have enough training equipment for their practice. So we plan to construct 28 new buildings. These are classroom buildings only. And the classroom building, we are so proud, we are also very happy about it because since 2010, from the building that we mostly build for TVET are either 1 or 2 story. But for this new building, we will focus on 5-story building only. So they are bigger, they are include green policy, and they will serve a lot more people, and it can be used and accessed by a lot more students from compared to before. Aside from the new building, we also plan to construct 43 workshops and slash laboratory. The workshop will be used by training from entry level to technician, and laboratory will be used by the student at supervisor and engineering level. So we, from the budget that we have and verbally agree with the government, this is what we can do. And we also plan to construct 10 dormitories for the students because many of our students, we try to attract women students, female students to come to our school. But one of the barriers is that their home is quite far away, and coming, go, and forth between school and their home, they have to a lot more expense, and sometimes it's not safe for them. So having dormitory will be an encouragement for them. And we also develop 3 TVET parks that this TVET Park is different from our usual institute. They are a lot bigger, they can offer a lot more job, and their infrastructure will be more modernized to ensure that it's meet the new current trend, and it will be a lot more attractive to students. And we also try to license 8 TVET testing center for OPL, for recognize, for those who have been in industry, but they have no certificate. They can go to this new 8 testing center to apply for certificate. Currently, we only have 3 testing centers that focus on construction sector, auto mechanic sector, and electric sector. But in the next 5 years, 8 new testing centers will be developed and licensed so that more people that are in industry with a lot of experience but have no certificate can be certified. And of course, they will also try to plan to develop 2 research TVET institute for the innovation, because innovation is the key, and especially for in ICT and the entrepreneurship in TVET. And these are the key, the size, and what is from the what we know so far. This is the target institute that we will develop for the next 5 years. But of course, there will be more. I cannot include everything because we only have so far, since the start of the new mandate, it's only been 2 months. So we only identify around 10 institutes to be developed, because given the time that we had, we have not yet identified where to locate the new infrastructure for the upcoming mandate. But we also sure that this, as you can see, the size is quite different, depend on the location of the institute, because some institutions have small land, so the building is a lot smaller. But however, we still proud because currently most of the buildings are 5 to 6 stories tall, so it's a lot better than what we used to have, which is 1 or 2 story. And also the equipment plan that we have agreed that put into the strategic plan that we are being developed right now is that we will focus on 5 priority sectors for the equipment that we will be provided to our institute for the training. We have the focus on mechatronic, electricity, cooling system, electronic, construction, welding sector, mechatronic, and ICT. These are the 6 equipment that we will provide to our institute. So in total, we have around 80 packages that will be separated into the next 5 years. For 2021, we plan to provide 13 packages and 6 packages in 2022, 29 packages in 2023, 16 packages in 2024, and 28 packages in 2025. This package represents one of the sector that equipment in the provision in the slide. But of course, we have a detail which package that will be given to the institute. But for now, we still have to negotiate with the MES. But currently, the plan has been developed and approved by the minister. So we have a lot of very good, very positive, since this is the new mandate as the government new goal is to train a lot more than we anticipate. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.
Many thanks, Mr. Kat.